Hello viewers and welcome to Medgate Today TV Digital. We are at 7th edition of Thought Leadership Summit, an initiative by HOSMAC. And Medgate Today is proud to be the media partner of this wonderful event. In this event, in the beginning, we had the white paper launch, and that was launched by Mr. Ishan Desai, who is the computational architect at HOSMAC. So let's take the key takeaways which he talked about how the cancer is taking the pandemic nature and what kind of things the healthcare system should take now, because it is the time at which we should take the step. So hello Ishan, and thank you for being here. So could you please tell us about yourself, your role of responsibility at HOSMAC?
Yes. So I work as a computational designer in HOSMAC. So I'm an architect by profession, but I also work on design automation and BIM softwares, but also simultaneously I'm working on urban planning, automation and analysis. So in today's 7th edition of Thought Leadership Summit, what I presented was the cancer white paper. Showed a lot of discrepancies in the medical infrastructure planning landscape that is there in India, and where the lack is and how much sort of needs to be covered up. So for instance, India currently has 829 linear accelerator machines, which is the machine you need for cancer treatment. But there is a shortfall of almost more than 1,000 machines, according to the statistics and the studies which have been done. So now that we know there is a shortfall, the next question is, what do you do with it? Where do you plan? How do you plan? So today we also showcase the urban health data platform, which is an initiative started by HOSMAC, which attempts to spatialize all these inquiries as to where infrastructure needs to be planned, how to plan it, and how to come up with valid, rigorous analysis studies which can be peer reviewed and then be used as proper scoping and proposal documents for planning the cancer care infrastructure which needs to be produced.
The theme of this 7th edition of Thought Leadership Summit is Emerging Healthcare Models, India and Beyond. So how do you see that this is the time that India should, you can say, redesign itself with the best healthcare it can give to the not only the Indian patient but to the global patients?
I think what really comes out through the analysis of the papers is that most of the people go to the public hospitals, and there is currently most of the concentration of public hospitals is in the metro cities. So if you take the example of the Maharashtra region, you only have the Tata Memorial Center in Mumbai and the AIIMS Nagpur, where most of the concentration is happening. So what is really required is to sort of find the gaps in the different regions and find where in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities the expansion needs to be there, because otherwise most of the concentration right now is only in the metros, and a lot of travel creates a lot of strain on the existing infrastructure as well.
Yes. So I think the things which we need to do is to expand the healthcare, not only in the advancement but also in the infrastructure as well, because as we saw in the paper launch that now people are commuting themselves to tier 1 cities for the better treatment. So it should be our vision, it should be our agenda to bring the best in the tier 2 as well as in tier 3 cities as well. So thank you so much, Ishan, for giving us such an insightful conversation, and we will be looking forward to 8th edition of such kind of events and many more too from the HOSMAC and from the Medgate Today as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.